Hey, happy Thursday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So wouldn't it be amazing if you could have AI build a course for you and manage that course? Well, guess what? Now you can. That's right. Ask AI can now create courses automatically for you and can also manage them. You can sort of see this on my screen here, but basically the idea is you go in and you're like, hey, can you help me create a course? And it's like, absolutely. And you just start talking to Ask AI and look exactly what it does. Creates modules for you, goes through and creates lessons, all the things that you need to create and manage a course. It can now do this inside Ask AI. This is a huge upgrade, obviously, on the courses section, because we all want to add courses as quickly as we can, and AI can now help us do that. It's built right into Ask AI. It has a ton of abilities here. You can go through all of them in detail, but the point is you can get a full course up and operational through Ask AI without having to create anything manually yourself, which is amazing. You can kind of see on my screen here some of the screenshots of AI going through and creating all of this for you. There's of course going to be a big changelog and help doc coming out on this, but it's really quite easy. Just go into the courses section, pop out Ask AI, and just get started. Ask it to make edits, ask it to make updates, ask it to do all of those things. Create the course outline, create lesson content, quizzes, assessments, full control over settings, offer creation, all of it guided step by step. It's got some cool guardrails in here where it prompts user for confirmation and deletes related operations that are prohibited to make sure you never accidentally delete any of your own content, which is cool. Obviously, this revolutionizes the way that courses can be created, and I am super stoked that we got this out. So anyways, on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Thursday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.